Hello everyone, this is Alison from Ali's Crafty Creations. Well, look what I've bought. It's only the CRICUT Joy Xtra. I wasn't going to get one. I said to myself, no more. But I went in Hobbycraft in England and I saw it and I thought, oh, it's so cute. And I picked it up. It light as a feather, really. Easy to take out with me. I'm in my caravan at the moment, so I can bring it here with me when I want to. But I'm dying to open it. Shall we have a look? Right, let's get it open. And I forgot to mention, it's the CRICUT Joy Xtra with the starter bundle. Not that I needed the extras, but, well, I do actually. Because you don't get a mat with it unless you buy it. So that's nice to have in here. Let's see what this is. Right, so we have the printable waterproof sticker set. A4, you get 6 pieces. So we'll see what that's all about in a minute. And here, what's this one? Printable iron-on for light fabrics. So, yeah, I think it's just inkjet printer. So you don't need sublimation for it or anything. Just your normal inkjet, and you get 5 sheets of A4. So there we go. We'll see what this is. Ah, right. Oh, isn't this cute? You get the CRICUT Joy Xtra mat. So you can do your A4 print and cuts and your whatever you want, really. We'll have a look. Yep. Okay. And what else have we got here? Just a little leaflet. Oh. Now this is permanent vinyl, 3 sheets, black, matte. So, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. So, we've got 3 pieces of smart iron-on. So that means you can use this without your mat, which, you know, it could be good fun. Could be addictive as well. Anything else in here? That's just the transfer sheet. You only get one, but yeah. And this. Now, look at the end of that. It's like a little pin. And what do you think it is? I think it possibly could be a little weeding thing. For weeding, I don't know. Not seen anything like it in my life. Let me know what you think. Do we have anything else in here? Nope, nothing else. There she is. Right, let's have a look inside. This should be fun. This is what I call the boring bit. But we'll have a look anyway. Is this some type of manual? I didn't think you got manuals in 2023, but very good. I'll have a look at that at some point. Let's get started. Activate your machine. We'll do that at some point as well. Warranty information. Ah, need some little tester pieces by the looks of it. White, smart label, writable permanent. Oh, that could be fun. Yep. And black, this is probably permanent. Let's have a look. Smart vinyl removable. Oh, that's good. Something to try out. Smart vinyl removable. 2 of those. Ooh, a pretty gold. Is it gold or like a rose gold? I can't tell in this light. But that looks like iron-on. Doesn't say, but it definitely looks like iron-on. And transfer tape. So there you go. That's what you get in the box. Let's have a look inside. Are you ready? Ooh, wow. Isn't she pretty? I'll have to think of a name for her. Right, and here she is. Isn't she gorgeous? Lovely. Right, we're all sealed up here. So I think it's got shrink wrap on it. Nice and protected. So we'll look at that in a minute, but we'll have a look in the box. What have we got here? Well, a little pen. That's different to my maker. Oh, isn't it cute? Let's have a look in here. Yep, and there's that. That's a European style 2-pin. And this is for England. And I guess this is the little charging power supply. I'm thinking it's rechargeable. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Right, I've taken it out of the box and we've took the cellophane off. We'll have a look around. This is the back. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look inside. Oh, she's beautiful. Right, and look at this. How cute is this? It's tiny. I love it already, and I haven't even had a go yet. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll show it doing some work at a later date, and probably decorate it because I just like things my way. Been good to talk to you again. Come back soon, like and subscribe. Bye for now.